Hi there. We're back with another quick tip. If you work with a lot of documents, you're probably aware that PDF is a great way to share and distribute them, since it preserves your layout and design just as if you'd printed it. But that fidelity comes at a price. If you need to make changes after the fact, it can be pretty difficult to edit the PDFs. So you end up with two copies of your document, the PDF that you share and the original file in whatever format that you created it. Today I'm going to show you a neat trick that'll create PDFs that you can edit just like your original documents. Let's check it out. So here's my document. I created this in LibreOffice, which is a full-featured free and open source office suite. And as you can see, I've got a bit of advanced formatting going on. I have headers at the top of the document. I have footers at the bottom of the document with fields updating the page numbers. I have title styles. I have heading styles with outline numbering attached, drop caps, a special style for block quotes, and if I scroll down, I even have a little dingbat that has its own style. If I created a PDF and tried to edit it using normal PDF editing tools, I wouldn't have access to all of the styles and features that I use to set this document up. Luckily for me, LibreOffice has pretty powerful PDF export options, including the option that's going to allow me to preserve all of my editability. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the Export as PDF dialog, and you'll see a bunch of options here. The one that I'm interested in today is Embed Open Document File. And the tooltip says, makes this PDF easily editable in LibreOffice. I'm going to go ahead and click that. And what this is going to do is take the open document file, which is the native file format of LibreOffice, and incorporate all of that information into the PDF. All right, let's go ahead and click Export and give it a name. And there we go. Let's hide LibreOffice. And here we have it titled the document.pdf. And earlier I created a version without the embedded file so that we can compare the two. If I go ahead and open these up, you can see here on the left we have the one that we just created with the embedded file, and on the right the one without the embedded file. As you can see, they look the same. If I start scrolling through them, they function exactly the same, just like regular PDFs. The other thing that I wanted to show you, and this could be a downside if you have really huge documents, is that the version without the embed, just as this one, as you can see by the parenthesis there, is only 78K, whereas the version with the embed is 131K. So it's quite a bit bigger. But what I get for that is that I can take the version with the embed, I can bring that back into LibreOffice, and it's going to recognize the embedded file and open that. So the whole document comes back in just where I left off when I created it, and I have full access to all of the tools in LibreOffice, including all the styles that I set up. I can select, I can edit and make changes, and you can see here on the title bar is this title the document.pdf. I've decided that I don't want this paragraph anymore, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete that. And here's where the caveat comes in. If I want to resave this document, I'd save my changes. I can either save it as an ODT, an open document, by going to File, Save As, or if I wanted to resave this as a PDF, I would have to go back to the Export as PDF dialog and make sure that that embed checkbox is checked. And then I have to actually give it a new file name because I have title the document.pdf open, so I can't resave over it. But if I give it a new file name, I can click Save, and I'm good to go. There you go. A cool way to make fully editable PDF files and cut the clutter from keeping multiple versions of your documents. And that's it for this quick tip. Let us know what you think in the comments, and be sure to check us out on the web at dramaticpurposes.com, on Twitter at dramaticperp, and now on Instagram at dramatic_perp. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.